Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of high-performance cars that make your heart race. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, the beast that's roaring back into the muscle car scene with more attitude, power, and style than ever before. If you've been missing that iconic American pony car vibe since the last generation wrapped up, Chevrolet has heard your cries and delivered a 7th-gen revival that's set to dominate streets and tracks alike. We're talking a supercharged monster that's been refined for the modern era, blending classic Camaro aggression with cutting-edge tech and engineering. Stick around as we break down every angle of this machine, from its jaw-dropping looks to its neck-snapping performance, and I'll even share some thoughts on whether it's the right fit for you. Let's jump right in, starting with the exterior. This 2026 ZL1 doesn't just turn heads, it commands the entire road. Up front, the design is pure intimidation wrapped in sleek aerodynamics. That massive blacked-out grille dominates the fascia, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that sweep back into the fenders like predatory eyes, giving it a stance that's both futuristic and feral. The hood is sculpted with deep vents and a subtle power bulge, hinting at the fury lurking underneath, while the splitter down low is wider and more aggressive than before, channeling air for better cooling and downforce. It's finished in a glossy Summit white or that signature red, but no matter the color, the carbon fiber accents on the mirrors and spoiler add a premium, track-focused edge. The front end sits low and wide, with 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin. Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that scream grip from the moment you see them. It's not just about looks. This setup improves braking and handling, making the ZL1 feel planted even at high speeds. Moving around to the side profile, the Camaro ZL1's lines flow with a muscular elegance that's evolved from its predecessors. The roofline slopes dramatically into a fastback shape, creating that classic coupe silhouette that's longer and lower than you remember, thanks to a wheelbase stretched just enough for better stability without losing the nimble feel. Those flared wheel arches house massive 325-section rear tires, emphasizing the wide track stance that makes it look ready to pounce. Side skirts are sculpted to hug the body, painted in body color or with carbon fiber extensions for the 1 Leah package if you opt for it, and they help manage airflow to keep things cool under hard driving. The doors open with a satisfying thunk, revealing subtle ZL1 badging that's understated yet proud. From the side, you get a sense of the car's balanced proportions, not too bulky, but with enough heft to remind you this is a 3,800-pound powerhouse. The mirrors are slim and aerodynamic, integrated with blind spot cameras for safety, and the overall silhouette cuts through the wind with a drag coefficient that's been optimized for both efficiency and speed. Flipping to the rear, the ZL1's tail end is where the drama really peaks. Dual quad exhaust tips poke out aggressively from a diffuser that's loaded with carbon fiber for that high-end touch, rumbling with a soundtrack that's deeper and more refined than the old supercharged growl. Think symphonic V8 thunder. The taillights are slim LED strips that connect across the trunk lid, giving it a modern, almost supercar-like glow when you hit the brakes. The massive rear spoiler, adjustable for track use, adds serious downforce without looking tacked on, and it's paired with a subtle ducktail element for extra style. The rear bumper is vented for heat dissipation, and those wide haunches make the car look planted and purposeful. Overall, the exterior screams performance heritage while feeling fresh for 2026. It's a car that stands out in any crowd. Whether you're cruising Main Street or lining up at the drag strip, sliding inside, the interior of the 2026 Camaro ZL1 is a surprising blend of luxury and driver focus, proving Chevrolet didn't skimp on the cockpit for this halo model. You drop into sport bucket seats upholstered in premium leather with suede inserts and aggressive bolsters that hug you like a racing harness during corners. They're heated, ventilated, and adjustable in every way imaginable with red stitching, adding that pop of color against the black theme. The dashboard sweeps around you in a driver-centric layout, dominated by a massive 12-inch digital gauge cluster that reconfigures on the fly for track modes, showing everything from boost pressure to forces. Right below it, the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system runs the latest Chevrolet Infotainment 5 software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and navigation that's buttery smooth. Climate controls are physical knobs for quick access, and the center console has a clean, minimalist vibe with wireless charging and plenty of USB ports. Materials feel upscale, soft-touch plastics, Alcantara on the dash, and carbon fiber trim that ties back to the exterior. Rear seats are there if you need them, but let's be real, this is a 2+2 at best for weekend warriors. Sound insulation is improved, so highway cruises are quieter, but pop into track mode and the cabin comes alive with engine notes piped through the Bose 9 speaker system. It's not the roomest, but for a performance car, it's a cockpit built. For adrenaline junkies who want tech without distraction. Now, let's talk about what really sets the ZL1 apart, its performance. Under the hood, Chevrolet sticks with the proven 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8. But for 2026, it's tuned to deliver a stout 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. With revisions for smoother power delivery and better efficiency, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, it launches you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, quarter mile in under 11 seconds, and tops out at an electronically limited 198 miles per hour. On the road, it's a dual personality beast. In tour mode, it's composed and refined, sipping fuel at around 16 mpg combined, but flip to sport or track, and the magnetic ride control dampers stiffen. The electronic limited slip diff engages, and Brembo brakes with 6-piston fronts haul it down from speed with zero fuss. Handling is razor sharp thanks to the wider track and revised suspension geometry, making it carve corners like a sports car half its size. The supercharger whine is addictive, building to a crescendo as you mash the throttle, and with launch control, it's drag strip ready out of the box. Fuel economy dips to 13 mpg city, but who cares when you're grinning ear to ear? It's not just fast, it's engaging with feedback through the flat-bottom steering wheel that keeps you connected when it comes to pricing. The 2026 Camaro ZL1 starts at an accessible $75,395 for the coupe, which undercuts many rivals while packing supercar-level punch. Add the 1LE Extreme Track package for another $7,000, and you're at about $82,395 with upgraded aero, stiffer springs, and those massive tires. Convertibles bump it up to $81,995 base, and fully loaded with options like the Recaro seats, premium paint, and advanced driver aids, you're looking at around $90,000 before destination fees. For that money, you get standard goodies like adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and a rear camera mirror. It's a steal compared to European exotics. But factor in maintenance for that supercharger and tires that wear quick on the street. Resale holds strong for ZL1 South, so it's an investment in fun. If you're eyeing the ZL1, I'd suggest it for serious enthusiasts who crave raw V8 power and track days. Without breaking the bank, it's perfect for autocross warriors or weekend canyon carvers who want something more visceral than a daily driver. Pros include that unbeatable exhaust note, blistering acceleration, and value-packed features. But cons are the tight interior, thirsty engine, and if you're into EVs, this isn't your eco-friendly choice. Alternatives like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 offers similar thrills, or step up to a Dodge Challenger Hellcat for more straight-line brute, but the ZL1 edges them in handling finesse. Test drive one if you can, it'll hook you instantly. Customize with Chevy's configurator for colors and wheels to make it yours. Wrapping this up, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is a triumphant return that reminds us why muscle cars rule unapologetic. Power, timeless style, and soul-stirring drives in one package. Chevrolet nailed the balance of heritage and innovation here, making it a must-have for anyone who lives for the roar. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment. Would you pick the ZL1 over its rivals? Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.